Text, LG phone.
How to use a custom ringtone on an LG phone.
In an animation, musical notes float next to an LG phone.
Choosing a custom ringtone can make it easy to know when your LG phone is ringing instead of someone else's.
On the home screen, a red circle around the gear icon.
To choose a ringtone, open Settings. Then tap on Sound, tap on Ringtone, tap on the chosen ringtone to select it and hear it previewed. If you don't hear it, turn your ringer volume up. Once the chosen ringtone is selected, tap OK at the bottom. Then tap on the back arrow at the top left. If you would like to use a custom ringtone, you need to download a ringtone from a website or an app, or download the audio you wish to use, even if it is part of a song. Once you have the audio file on the phone, open Settings. Then tap on Sound, tap on Ringtone, tap on the plus button at the top right, choose Audio if prompted, and tap Always. Find the audio file you want to use and tap on it. The phone will begin previewing the audio. If no audio is heard, turn your ringer volume up. You can choose what part of the audio you want to play for your ringtone by adjusting the sliders in the preview window. Once the adjustments are done, tap on OK at the bottom right. You will then be taken back to the ringtone selection screen with your new ringtone selected. Then tap on the back arrow at the top left, and you're all set.
Logo and text, LG Life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.
The logos for Twitter, Facebook, text, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.